I've been relishing in silence recently. The news has been upsetting these past few weeks, and I've been trying to navigate my emotions about them, while letting myself just feel what I need to feel. There's been something enriching in the quiet ambiance. It helps me just breathe. Creating art has been helping me, and I've carved out a little space by pouring my energy into projects that are reminiscent of my childhood interests, like DIY projects, doodling, and cooking. We've officially hit the 1-year mark for quarantine, and it's starting to almost feel normal now. This year has changed the way I value spending my time. I used to spend all my free time socializing and at the gym in the past. Then, about a month into quarantine, I went through a productivity frenzy, got completely exhausted, and flip-flopped to playing Stardew Valley and watching Korean dramas all day. And now I'm managing to find some balance. I've been lucky to have spent an unusually long time at home, and I've been learning to appreciate, and dare I say, thrive in the silence and boredom. I've always lived in a state of constant stimulus. The TV was always on in our house. Background conversations from the History Channel always flowed through the air. Seldom was there silence, and hence, it's always felt abnormal to me. In my need to fill the void left by silence, I habitually plug in my earbuds and listen to the 90,000 minutes of music in the last year. Books, podcasts, and I do it on my walks, while I'm working, sitting, lying down, trying to sleep, anything, all the time. Until I stopped and let the silence in. Because there's something in there that doesn't exist anywhere else. Boredom breeds creativity. In that white space, there are no expectations. There is but a calm, an awareness of chirping birds, footsteps, passing cars, deep breaths. This is the first time I just sat in silence and did something. I just bookbinded without playing music, only listening to the cars pass by and the pages flip.
What are you doing?
I'm just looking at the world. I'm writing a new piano piece.
Oh yeah? Can I hear it?
Creative ideas ebb and flow throughout a year, and I was full of New Year-induced excitement in January and February. I had all these ideas, and I also had the energy to materialize them. But I'm realizing it's not always sustainable, and whenever I find myself sinking into a creative rut as I am now, I let myself take a week off. I'm trying to trust in the process of giving myself space and silence to allow for inspiration and energy to renew itself. It's a cycle after all, and rest is a crucial part of it. When the cycle comes back around, I repeat to myself two things. Art is a process, and done is better than perfect.